Okay, the Solutions Architect Associate Exam is the one that I took next after the Cloud Practitioner. So, what did I do? Was it worth it? Do I recommend it? Well, I do. I do recommend the steps that I took, and let me start there. So, the Solutions Architect Associate is the second one that I took, of course, and that one, I did do a Cloud Guru since I already had a subscription. I then found that that wasn't enough based on my exam results from a Cloud Guru. And again, my whole thing was I wanted to learn. I didn't really want to just memorize things per se and memorize the exam questions and the exam answers. So I just wanted to kind of play around with it a little bit more on my own, and of course I did that. And I also found the AWS Architect Associate Exam by Free Code Camp, given by Andrew Brown again, and I really recommend this one just because that's what I did, and I found it again useful, just like I did the Cloud Practitioner. That was more than enough. I think I could have prepared even more, but that was more than enough. Just playing around on your own with the AWS console, reading the documentation, looking at this one, and again, this one's about 10 hours and 26 minutes or so, and I did do a Cloud Guru, right? Like I mentioned. I did do this one, and then I found that was, I felt pretty comfortable, again, after doing this one. And with my previous experience, I knew that this video would serve me well, or at least I felt this video would serve me well, and it did. But if I was to do this all over again, I would definitely do the steps I've taken, which is a Cloud Guru, then this course by Andrew Brown on YouTube. But I would do one more, if anything, which would be this Udemy course. I didn't do it. I have to be clear on this. I didn't do it, but I have taken his course. This is Stefan's Marek's course on Udemy, and I've taken his course on on this security specialty, which I'll be talking about next after this video. But again, I didn't do it for the Cloud Practitioner or the Solutions Architect. I just did the Cloud Guru and the free YouTube courses. But then this one for security, I did do on Udemy with him, and he was great. And you'll see that I found out that was great for me, and it provided me the results that I wanted, and it made me comfortable and gave me the information that I needed. So I would do this one. Now, I wouldn't. I didn't pay $109.99. I think I paid something like this, like $15, $14.99 for the security one. I believe you could do the same, just like as this example is giving us a promotion, and you could do the $14.99 for this one. That's what I would recommend. Of course, it's cheaper than $109. But I thought that was really, really useful for the security one. So again, I would do it for the Architect Associate one as well. And more than this, and these are updated, right? These are updated pretty often, and I think some of these videos do overlap. And so that is the good thing, that once you get one cert, the other one that you're getting will have some overlap. So that the sooner you do them, the easier I think that will be. So, definitely count that, consider that. The other thing I'll mention too is that for the Cloud Practitioner, there was, after I passed and I cleared that exam, there was a 50% off coupon that you can apply to your next certification with AWS. And so that was always, that's always a good thing, right? So, and then you get a 50% when you pass this one. You can clear the next one, right? You can schedule the next one 50% off, and that's what I did with my security one. But the security video will come up next. I'll talk about that, but definitely recommend these two resources first, the Cloud Guru, and then the AWS Architect Associate on YouTube. And then I really highly do recommend this one, even though I haven't taken it, the Solutions Architect Associate on Udemy by Stefan. But of course, I think that would be great. And you can tell by the stars, right? 4.7 stars from 206,000. I think that's a pretty decent stat. And again, I've used this video. Well, not this video, but I've used Stefan's course for the security exam, and that was great. I highly recommend it. So I hope this helps. And again, if I could do it, you could do it. There's no time, rush per se. I think, again, it's just about learning. If you're passionate about learning and learning new things and staying on top of your craft, on top of your industry, on top of your, software development journey, I think it's always a plus. Hope this helps.